Yann LeCun's new venture, AMI Labs, just raised $1.03 billion to develop AI systems that understand the real world. If successful, this could revolutionize industries from healthcare to autonomous driving, and your business could be next in line to benefit from these advancements. AMI Labs, co-founded by LeCun after leaving Meta, is focused on world models, a novel type of AI that learns from real-world data rather than just language. Unlike current AI models that primarily predict text, these systems aim to reason and plan using sensory information, potentially solving problems that large language models can't. This massive funding underscores its potential impact, making it Europe's largest seed round in history. Imagine a healthcare system that accurately predicts patient outcomes based on real-time data, or a manufacturing process streamlined by AI systems that foresee equipment failures before they occur. These are the types of applications that AMI Labs is working to enable through its new research focus, offering companies a chance to leap ahead in efficiency and innovation. However, this ambition comes with significant hurdles. Developing these AI systems could take years, as AMI Labs is engaged in fundamental research rather than instant product rollout. The technology is complex and faces risks such as over-reliance on untested systems or potential biases in real-world data. For your business, consider exploring the current capabilities of AI in your sector. Assess how new AI tools like world models could fit into your operations. Engage with AI startups or research groups to stay updated on advancements. Evaluate your data management strategies to ensure they can integrate new models smoothly, and prepare your team by investing in AI training and education to maximize future benefits. World models offer the tantalizing potential to make AI systems genuinely understand the world, but patience and preparation are key to navigating this new territory. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into how AI is reshaping the business landscape.